if you have your saved password but it's from a network you are not currently connected to, it's not a problem. You can go to saved networks here. If you want to do this with a network that is not, you are not connected to it now, go to save network. For example, you can choose this Wi-Fi Galaxy. You can use this network. I'm not sure if it's updated now, but you went to the list of Wi-Fi networks. You went to the list of Wi-Fi networks and you can press share on this one also, the same way as you did with the network you're connected to. And you can also see the password here, so you can take a screenshot and send it to someone. But this QR code, it actually contains, let me screenshot this. So if I search, I can do a Google Lens search on this QR code and to read this QR code, and the QR code type is Wi-Fi, and join the network, and then you have the network name, password, and the type, details of the network. That's it.